Welcome to the complete guide on Alpine.js interview questions. Alpine.js is a lightweight JavaScript framework that has gained popularity for its simplicity and power. In this comprehensive tutorial, you'll master essential concepts including directives, data binding, and component-based architecture. Whether you're preparing for your first front-end interview or looking to enhance your skills with this minimal JavaScript framework, this guide covers everything you need to know to confidently tackle Alpine.js questions. Alpine.js is a lightweight JavaScript framework that brings reactive and declarative programming to your web applications. Unlike larger frameworks like Vue or React, Alpine.js offers the same powerful features at a much smaller footprint of only 15 kilobytes when minified. It's designed as a drop-in enhancement, meaning you can add it to existing HTML pages without restructuring your entire application. Alpine.js is perfect for developers who want modern JavaScript reactivity without the complexity of a full framework setup. Getting started with Alpine.js is incredibly simple. You can include it in your project using a Content Delivery Network or CDN link. Simply add the script tag with the defer attribute and source pointing to the Alpine.js CDN. The defer attribute ensures the script loads after the HTML document is parsed, which is important for Alpine to properly initialize and scan for directives in your markup. Alpine.js uses directives to add functionality to your HTML elements. The 4 core directives you must know are x-data, which declares a new component scope with reactive data properties, x-text, which sets the text content of an element dynamically, x-show, which toggles element visibility using CSS display properties, and @click, which listens for click events and executes JavaScript code. These directives form the foundation of most Alpine.js applications and are frequently asked about in interviews. The x-data directive is the cornerstone of Alpine.js components. It creates a reactive data scope for your component. In this example, x-data defines an object with 3 properties: name set to Alpine.js, count initialized to 0, and visible set to true. Child elements within this div can access and modify these data properties. The h1 element uses x-text to display the name, while the button uses @click to increment the count when clicked. Event handling in Alpine.js is straightforward and powerful. The @click directive handles click events on buttons and other interactive elements. You can write inline JavaScript expressions like count++ to increment a counter. For keyboard events, use @keyup with modifiers. The @keyup.enter directive specifically listens for the enter key press, making it perfect for form submissions. Alpine.js supports all standard DOM events with this simple syntax. Alpine.js provides 2 main approaches for conditional rendering. The x-show directive toggles element visibility by changing the CSS display property. The element remains in the DOM, but is hidden when the condition is false. In contrast, x-if completely removes or adds elements to the DOM based on the condition. x-if must be used on template tags and actually creates or destroys DOM nodes, making it more efficient for elements that are rarely shown. List rendering in Alpine.js uses the x- for directive on template elements. In this example, x-data defines an items array containing apple, banana, and cherry. The template element with x- for equals item in items creates a loop. Each iteration generates a list item with x- displaying the current item value. The key attribute with :key equals item provides a unique identifier for each element, helping Alpine efficiently update the list when items change. Alpine.js provides lifecycle hooks to execute code at specific moments in a component's lifecycle. The x-init hook runs once when the component is initialized, making it perfect for setup tasks and API calls. The x- effect hook runs whenever its reactive dependencies change, similar to computed properties in other frameworks. These hooks give you fine-grained control over when your JavaScript code executes, allowing for more sophisticated component behavior and better performance optimization. Alpine.js offers a lightweight yet powerful approach to building interactive web applications with minimal JavaScript. Its declarative syntax and reactive data binding make it easy to learn and implement, especially for developers familiar with HTML and basic JavaScript. Alpine.js excels in progressive enhancement scenarios where you want to add interactivity to existing websites without major architectural changes. With these fundamental concepts mastered, you're now ready to confidently tackle Alpine.js interview questions and build dynamic web applications.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.